we will see how to fix KB5044384 Windows update failed to install in Windows 11 system. This Windows 11 latest update failed to install in your system. Then here are the process to fix this issue. Right click on the start button and choose settings. And first workaround is in settings page from the left side choose systems and thereafter go to right side and choose troubleshoot. Choose other troubleshooters and here run Windows Update Troubleshoot. Click on Run button against Windows Update Troubleshoot. Windows Troubleshoot is an inbuilt solution of any major and minor problem of your system. So you should first run the troubleshoot for each and every problems. Also run network and internet troubleshoot and check whether your Windows update failed to install error resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. The next one is go to Windows search and type disk cleanup. Open disk cleanup in your system. Here select the drive you want to clean up. Choose C drive where your program files exist. Click on OK and a new disk cleanup for Windows C drive Windows will open. Here make the check against various type of feature, recycle bin, temporary files, thumbnails, temporary internet files and click on OK. A pop-up window will appear. Are you sure you want to permanently delete these files? Choose delete files. And after that restart your system and check whether your Windows update failed to install error resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. And the next one is start or restart various Windows update related services. Right click on the start button, choose run. You may press bin plus R shortcut key to launch run dialog box and here type services.msc. This command will open services windows in your system. In services windows, you will have to start or restart various Windows update related services. And the first one is look for background intelligent transfer service. Right click on it and choose start. If you have already found it in a start mode, then restart it. Otherwise, start it. Thereafter, apply a double click on it to open its properties windows. And here go to a startup type and choose the startup type as automatic. And finally click on apply and OK to save the changes. The same method will be applied for other services. The second one is cryptographic services. Look for cryptographic services. Same process, right click on it and choose start or restart and apply a double click on it to open its properties and set a startup type as automatic. Finally choose apply and OK to save the changes. And the third one is Windows installer services. Scroll down and look for the Windows installer service. Same process, right click on it and choose start, otherwise restart, and thereafter apply a double click on it to open its properties. And you can't change its startup type, so close the windows and go to next services. And the next services is Windows update services. Same process, right click on it and choose start or restart. Apply a double click on it to open its properties windows and set a startup type as automatic. And after that restart your system and check whether your Windows update failed to install error in Windows 11 fixed or not. If not, go to the next fixes. The next one is right click on, you must restart your system first and after that check whether your error is. Go to the Windows search and type cmd and open command prompt Windows run as administrator mode. Click on run as administrator and in command prompt windows first execute these three dism tool as shown on a screen. Execute these three dism tool one by one. Dism online scanhealth, dism online checkhealth, and dism online restore health. Execute all these three commands one by one, followed by enter key on each time in command prompt windows. And once successfully execution of this 3 dism tool, execute the command sfc scan now and press enter. It will scan your system for any corrupted files and it will repair them accordingly. After that, restart your system and check whether your system Windows update failed to install, error resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Again, same process, go to Windows search, type cmd and open command prompt windows, run as administrator mode. And in command prompt windows, execute some Windows update components as shown on a screen. Execute these 4 Windows update components. To stop all these 4 services, execute all these 4 services commands one by one, followed by enter key on each time, and thereafter execute this command. All this command path will also available in my video's description box. You may copy from there. So execute one by one all these commands. Don't forget to press enter on each time. And once successfully completed these commands, start all those 4 services you have earlier stopped them. Now start them. Execute all these 4 commands also one by one, followed by enter key on each time. Follow on screen instruction to complete the process, and don't forget to restart your system and check whether your Windows update failed to install, error resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Don't forget to restart your system. And if your problem is still, then manually download and install Windows latest update. To download and install manually Windows update, go launch Google Chrome browser and in search field type Microsoft Update Catalog. Here press enter and choose first result, Microsoft Update Catalog. Open it, and here in search field type the KB update which you want to download and install it in your system, KB5044384, and click on search. All its related updates will available here. Simply click on download button against each update and download and install Windows latest update manually in your system.